What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best flat top grills in 2022. There's a lot of choice for flat top grills. Flat top grills are second to none when it comes to a highly versatile cooking solution for a variety of dishes. They can help you prepare restaurant-style barbecue dinners, breakfasts, and many other things. However, you can only enjoy the desired benefits if you know what makes the best flat top grills for you. Defining one's cooking requirements is the most important thing that can help you make an ideal choice. In addition, processing extensive lists of potential choices is a tiresome job that frets many users. Nonetheless, we have come up with a list of high-end flat top grills that are currently available on the market. Each of these grills is a top-rated device, tested by a massive number of users throughout the globe. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Blackstone 1554 Cooking 4-Burner. The next one on our list is another beast from Blackstone. Similar to the previous one, it also features 4 separate burners for the provision of multiple heat segments. However, 720 square inches of cooking space is a little smaller than the previous model. Since the barbecue grill weighs 120 pounds, the cooking space available is more than adequate. The state-of-the-art rear grease management system on this device helps users in a quicker cleaning of the grill. You will also love the functionality of the push-button start mechanism that starts the grill within seconds. Lastly, the provision of a highly intensive 15,000 BTUs heating capacity on each burner ensures the grill meets the user's expectations in terms of reliable searing. Highly suitable for searing. Not every grill on the market can be considered as the appropriate grilling tool when it comes to searing. Searing is a completely different grilling technique that genuinely requires intensive temperature from the burners. To that end, Blackstone has provided a cumulative heating capacity of 60,000 BTUs on 4 burners, 15,000 BTUs on each one. As a result, you can reach maximum temperature settings on this grill within no time. Offering a high heating capacity is not the only thing you'd love here. Fuel efficiency is another great thing about this beast from Blackstone. It provides a reliable fuel consumption to grilling ratio for enhancing the convenience for users. Furthermore, have a look at these pellet smokers, especially for searing. Easy to assemble. The overall design and solid build quality of the grill further enhance its desirability for users as they facilitate easy assembling. Unlike the previous one, you can trust the packaging of this machine as it arrives perfectly packaged. The product arrives on time and is packaged well. Nonetheless, you can put together this grill within 15 minutes, if you are a professional. For newbies, Blackstone offers multiple instructional sources for timely guidance. For that purpose, you can watch a video on the company's official website to get things started. Additionally, there are plenty of useful tutorials on YouTube that can also help you quickly assemble the device within an hour. Specification and features. Brand: Blackstone. Material: alloy steel. Color: black. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 62.5 by 22 by 36 inches. Item weight: 120 pounds. Reasons to buy. Cooking space of 720 square inches, perfect for searing. Total heating capacity of 60,000 BTUs. Fuel efficiency. Operational efficiency. Foolproof packaging. Reasons to avoid: there is room for improvement in customer care services. In our opinion, the 1554 original flat top grill from Blackstone is the second best choice you can consider. With 120 pounds of weight, the barbecue grill provides more than adequate cooking space of 720 square inches. Meanwhile, with a maximum heating power of 15,000 BTUs on each burner, the grill can meet the demands of the beginner and experienced cook alike. Number 2. Camp Chef Flat Top Grill. The next one on our list is a top-notch flat top grill from Camp Chef. It offers a massive griddle cooking surface of more than 600 square inches and weighs less than 150 pounds. High-quality stainless steel burners on this machine pack a satisfying heating capacity of 12,000 BTUs, individually 48,000 BTUs collectively. When it comes to cleaning, The overall build and efficient design of the grill facilitate easy cleaning and straightforward maintenance. The presence of a top-notch cast iron cooktop exceeds users' expectations in terms of reliability and operational efficacy. However, if you want to make the most of this grill, you will have to season it correctly. Rust resistance. Some people start questioning the grill's capacity to fight rust as soon as they see cast iron on it. Having a cast iron top does not mean you will have issues fighting the rust and corrosion on the device. The sole purpose of mentioning this point is to help you know how to eliminate the risk of rust and other unwanted situations. Seasoning is what can help you the most in this regard. Before starting any grilling, it is always a good idea to season and grease the top properly for desired results. You just have to oil the device generously before heating it in medium settings for a few hours. As a result, you can start making your barbecue without having to worry about rust and corrosion. Easy cleaning. Cast iron surfaces are the easiest ones to clean if you know how to get the job done correctly. Keep the burners on after you have finished cooking to get rid of anything left out. You can utilize a spatula to get rid of the sticky food stuff without any hassle. To get rid of any residue left on the surface, you will use cooking oil to rub on it. The most common mistake people make here is that they start using soaps and cleansing agents for the maintenance of the iron cast grill. As a result, they end up destroying the operational efficiency of the device. All in all, the combination of excessive heat and cooking oil is all you need to clean the grill properly. Specification and features. Brand: Camp Chef. Material: alloy steel. Color: stainless steel. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 37 by 62.5 by 22 inches. Finish type: stainless steel. Reasons to buy: easy maintenance, an excellently placed drip pan, quicker heat buildup, grilling space of more than 600 square inches, dependable ignition mechanism, collective heating capacity of 48,000 BTUs. Reasons to avoid: the quality of instruction material supplied by the company is not up to the mark, in our opinion. Camp Chef's item makes the most suitable choice for people looking for an easy-to-clean device. With a cooking surface of more than 600 square inches, this unit weighs under 150 pounds. As far as cleaning is concerned, using the right cleaning methods makes it easier to clean cast iron surfaces. In order to do this, you need to use excessive heat and cooking oil correctly by following the instructions mentioned above. Number 3. Blackstone Flat Top Gas Grill. Blackstone's 28-inch flat top gas grill is an excellent choice for people looking for value for money. It offers nearly all the features of a world-class grill at a very competitive price tag. Regardless of the lower price tag, it offers adequate cooking space coupled with relentless heating capacity. The company does not compromise the build quality on this model either. You will notice stainless steel burners, a powder-coated frame, and a high-quality cooktop on this one. Additionally, with a weight of nearly 70 pounds, the grill is extremely lightweight and easier to transport. Lightweight. It is rare to find a flat-top grill that offers exceptional performance while being extremely portable. Reducing the weight of some items negatively affects the operational efficiency of the grill in many ways. Nonetheless, that is not the case with this top-notch machine from Blackstone. Weighing nearly 70 pounds, this beast packs plenty of high-end features, including a total cooking space of 470 square inches, a high-quality steel frame, a couple of advanced burners, and plenty of storage options. Portability. Having a comparatively reduced weight allows this device to easily move from one place to the other without any hassle. The provision of high-end caster wheels in addition to foldable leg design facilitates users in this regard. Moreover, the removable griddle top also enhances its capacity to be used as a perfect flat top grilling option for campsite barbecue. Specification and features. Brand: Blackstone. Material: alloy steel. Color: black. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 44.5 by 19.5 by 33.5 inches. Item weight: 69 pounds. Reasons to buy: high value for money, easy to move, Perfect for campsite barbecue. 470 square inches of grilling area. Combined heating capacity of 30,000 BTUs. Powder-coated frame. Reasons to avoid. Absence of tools needed for griddle assembly. In our opinion, you may consider buying this grill from Blackstone, if you are looking for a bang for the buck. With its almost all-inclusive features set at a very competitive price, it is a world-class grill at an affordable price. In addition, it is also a highly suitable option in terms of portability and effortless mobility. Number 4. Royal Gourmet GD401C4 Burner. The flat-top grill from Royal Gourmet is making a difference, due to its highly innovative, yet ergonomic design. It is a 2-in-1 device that offers features of a griddle and top-notch grill. The total cooking space in both heating zones is nearly 584 square inches, which is fairly less than the two mentioned above. However, similar to previous ones, you will find 4 highly efficient cooking burners on this machine. The most interesting thing about this grill is its foldable leg design, which is convenient for a wide segment of customers. A reliable ignition start system coupled with perfectly sized knobs meets the user's expectations in terms of their quicker starting ability. Lastly, the provision of extra space for food preparation is another plus of this biggie from Royal Gourmet. Combo design. Quite apart from the fact that it has a flat top, this grill has a combo design that makes it stand out. The availability of a gas grill and griddle combo enhances convenience for users in many ways. Most importantly, they can do multiple things simultaneously, without having to wait for hours to cook different dishes. A total cooking area of 582 square inches is distributed evenly between the 2 cooking zones for a reliable grilling pursuit. Moreover, the use of a sturdy frame design further enhances the item's capacity for a diversified barbecue experience. With its reliable automatic ignition, the startup is quite easy and simple. However, we would advise our readers to take extra care if they want this machine to stay longer than they expect. Perfect for outdoor kitchen. The overall design and working capacity of this grill and griddle combo make it one of the best flat-top grills on the market. It makes cooking at a hot outside temperature a breeze. You won't notice any chipping and rust in this machine if you handle this device with extreme care and follow the instructions. The cast iron griddle exceeds the expectations of users in terms of reliability and heat management. You will notice an even distribution of heat throughout the device that helps you achieve consistent cooking results. However, we would advise you to pair it up with a high-end gas regulator for excellent results if you are new to grilling. Specification and features. Brand: Royal Gourmet. Material: stainless steel. Color: black. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 66.1 by 21.7 by 36.6 inches. Item weight: 91 pounds. Reasons to buy: innovative combo design. Cumulative cooking space of 48,000 BTUs. Sturdy frame. High quality cast iron griddle section. Easy to follow instructions. Perfect for cooking in hot weather. Reasons to avoid: the size of the provided cover does not cover the entire grill. In our opinion, Royal Gourmet's flat top grill makes the perfect choice for users who are looking for a grill and griddle combo design at a very competitive price tag. Gas grills and griddle combos offer convenience to users, as they can do multiple activities simultaneously. Additionally, the cast iron griddle exceeds the expectations of users concerning heat management and reliability. Number 5. Blackstone 1984 Original 36-inch. The first on our list is the top-notch flat-top grill from Blackstone Grills that outperforms every other in terms of grilling efficiency and adequate operational capacity. Everything from its generous cooking space to its extremely versatile cooking options makes it stand out. The presence of 4 different, high-quality burners allows users to have multiple cooking sections on a single grill. A massive cooking area with 768 square inches on the grill ensures its sufficiency for catering to the needs of multiple people at a weekend party. Additionally, cleaning up this extensive grill is not that challenging compared to its size, thanks to an excellent grease management system. Gorgeous cooking space. The availability of a stunning 768 inches of cooking space on this grill is what defines its excellence. Regarding its operational capacity, the excellent griddle gets the job done whenever you throw anything at it. You can have your shrimp, rice, noodles, steaks, burgers, hot dogs, veggies, chicken breasts, and many other things ready in a single go. A huge cooking space also enables users to toss everything like a professional without any hassles of wastage. The greatest advantage that further helps users get the most out of this beast is that there will be no sticking. However, we advise you to follow the provided instructions properly to enjoy the results you expect from a grill that outperforms every other. Versatility. One of the dimensions that help us figure out the best grill out of the rest is versatility. Yes, you heard it right. We cannot compromise the ability of multitasking when deciding the best one for you. As far as this grill is concerned, you can almost grill anything on this one, given the size and excellent working abilities. It can handle everything from making a delicious breakfast to grilling restaurant-style meat on its flat top. You can also try making fajitas, sausages, grilled fruit recipes, roasted turkeys, briskets, and many other things besides the recipes we mentioned in the first point. Specification and features. Material, metal. Brand, Blackstone. Color, black. Item dimensions LXWXH, 62.5 by 22 by 36 inches. Shape, rectangular. Reasons to buy. 768 square inches cooking space. 4 different heat sections for relentless versatility. Commendable grease management system. Perfect for steaks and briskets. Perfect for outdoor weekend parties. Reliable build quality. Reasons to avoid. The delivery system needs improvements. In our opinion, this one from Blackstone is the overall best flat top grill available on the market. The impressive range of cooking options coupled with its generous cooking space set it apart from the competition. The grill comes with 4 high-quality burners and allows users to cook in multiple sections. All in all, its flat top makes it easy to prepare anything, from a delicious breakfast to grilling a restaurant-style steak. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.